just hold it. Put that in your pocket for now.
Okay.
Alright, we're good to go. Put that in your pocket. So you're going to want to hold on to the handle or the oh shit handle. Brace your knees up against this.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
And keep looking ahead so you don't get car sick.
Yep. Holy shit, that's tight. Man, the amount of acceleration you can give. Holy shit, Brad. That was crazy. So that was one lap, or?
Yeah, that's it. That's the run. How was that?
That was awesome. That was great. Sorry if I was going a little...
No. You did good, buddy.
Yeah. You're good to go. Oh, Brad! Oh, no. Brad! Oh, the Brad! Yeah. Oh, Brad, don't do that to your mother! Oh, you're gonna run over them young. Oh!
What are you talking about?
Oh, just close your eyes, Wanda. Don't even look. Don't
look
even
ahead.
look. Okay. Oh, you're going that way now. Oh.
You alright?
Nope.